So why we need an RTC? Is the Arduino has its own clock? Yes, but that's not that accurate. Plus when Arduino goes off, it can always count the time. So that's why RTC comes to save us. RTC is just actually like a clock that always on. Never goes off except if it's run out the battery, which should be anticipated. Like usual, let's start with the dataset to know more about this RTC module. So here are the benefits and the features. Interfacing the DS1302 with a microprocessor is simplified by using synchronous serial communication. Only 3 wires are required to communicate with the clock or RAM, CE, I/O or data line, and SCLK or serial clock. Now let's just get our hand dirty by start wiring this thing with an Arduino. This is the wiring diagram. Now open the Arduino IDE, and this is the sketch that we will use to read the RTC. You need the VirtualBotics RTC library. You can download the library at the link in the description below. And we will print the time in serial monitor. But when this is your first time use the RTC, don't forget to put the battery first. This RTC uses CR2302 battery. Then in your first upload, you need to adjust the time in your RTC with time now. So the first upload you should uncomment these lines. Change with your time right now. So this is what I do. Now upload the sketch. We can check if the program works correctly by open the serial monitor. Wait, before we continue the video, you can make me really happy by subscribing to this channel and tap the bell so you won't miss new video from me. We can see that the RTC is showing the right time. Once it's correct, you should comment these lines again and re-upload the program. If you don't uncomment these lines and re-upload, every time Arduino is turned on, it will change the time according to these lines, which is not right. So now, even if you power off the Arduino, when you start the Arduino again, it can still print the right time. So I think that's the tutorial for now. Thanks for watching, and maybe we can make a project with this RTC module, like make an LED clock or something. Please leave a comment below and suggest what should I make with this RTC module. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in another video. Bye.